Welcome back, everyone, from our commercial break. Latifa here does not believe in cellular respiration at all. She doesn't believe cellular respiration gives people energy, has no idea what redox reactions are, or the Krebs cycle are, and is too stupid to know what chemiosmosis and fermentation are.
Boo.
That's right, Mari. Cellular respiration is fake, but I am not stupid, and I'm here to prove everyone wrong.
Okay, Latifa, calm down.
Oh no, Mari. Don't tell me to calm down.
Okay. Now to bring out our special guest, Hans Krebs. Come over here, Hans. There you go, Hans. Don't make yourself.
Get out of here. Leave. I don't want to see you here.
Okay, now Latifa, if you don't stop, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Okay. Whatever.
Sounds great. Now, Dr. Krebs, what exactly is cellular respiration?
It is the process in which stripping away electrons from organic materials create ATP.
No.
Dr. Krebs, could you put into simple terms what redox reactions are?
Oxidation is simply the loss of an electron in a molecule, while reduction is the gain of an electron. The oxidation and reduction always take place together, making the term redox reaction.
You don't know oxidation. You are stupid.
Latifa, I won't tolerate your outbursts.
Okay, I'll quit, no matter how stupid it sounds.
Cellular respiration starts with glycolysis, which is the 6-carbon sugar is cleaved into 3-carbon molecules and pyruvate. The energy comes from coupled reactions from the breaking of chemical bonds, which is known as substrate level phosphorylation.
So, Latifa, how do you and Hans know each other?
Well, I met Hans at high school. He was my substitute. We fell in love, but now times have changed and Hans thinks he discovered cellular respiration. He's smart, but not that smart. Now he is just so stupid around me.
I never loved you.
Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
Okay, Hans, could you give us an overview of this Krebs cycle?
The Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondrion. The 3 stages in the first stage produces a 6-carbon molecule. The second 2 carbon atoms have been expelled to CO2, their electrons donate the NAD+. The 4 carbon molecule is left, ATP is produced.
Great. Now he's going to start talking about how the energy that the electrons release transports the protons out of the matrix and into the intermembrane space.
Well, Latifa, that's probably the most logical thing you've said all day. So, Hans, can you explain?
Well, she is right. Protons are transported out of the matrix and into the embryon space. From there, NADH and FADH2. The molecules formed from the stage each contain electron and hydrogens. The molecules carry their electrons to the inner mitochondrial membrane. They transfer electrons in a long series of membranes known as the electronic transport chain, or ETC for short.
Okay, Hans, well, before we figure out the test results, can you explain chemiosmosis and fermentation?
As we have already discussed, chemoosmosis, the hydrogen ions are pumped into the intermembrane space. As the proton concentration in the intermembrane space rises above that in the matrix, the concentration gradient introduces the protons to re-enter the matrix by diffusion through a special proton channel called the ATP synthase. Fermentation occurs only in the absence of oxygen, which makes this a process anaerobic. Ethanol fermentation is what's used to make beer. Ethanol is the byproduct of fermentation and is usually toxic to yeast, and as it approaches about 12% concentration, it starts killing the yeast. That is why fermented wine is only 12% ethanol. Lactic acid fermentation is circulating blood that removes excess lactate, which causes fatigue or causes muscles to burn. Scientists now believe that lactic acid is essentially another source of fuel for muscles.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Krebs. Now, Latifa, before the results came in, I'm supposed to do a background check on you. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, how exactly do you spell Latifa?
Well, L-U, H with a hyphen, minus A-R-H.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and so what's 9 plus 10?
21.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, now before the test, we're going to take a commercial break.
Mari, what's going on?
Oh, nothing. Get out. I'll be back in. I'll be ready in here in a sec.
Sir, what's behind your back?
Oh, sorry. It's just some legalized photosynthesis I got from my doctor.
But sir, you aren't hurt.
Okay, listen. This stuff gives me energy throughout the day. I can't have you ruin this. I'll buy you out of your contract if after the show if you can't tell anyone.
Okay, deal.
Okay. Welcome back from our commercial break. The results are in. Is there anything y'all would like to say before the results are in? You should just get into your seats.
Okay. Anybody who believes this is stupid, I dropped out of high school, got my GED, and started working at McDonald's. So, I say I would know what I am saying.
I would just like to thank you for having me on your show.
Well, how nice of you, Hans. The results are in. Oh, Latifah, Hans, it is shown that through these tests that Hans is the father of the Krebs cycle and contributed to cellular respiration.
What?
Thank you for joining us here, and be sure to turn back in next week.